Morning to the evening, complaints from the tenants. Got the walls kicking like they 6 months pregnant. Drinking Alizé without cereal for breakfast. Girls calling cabs at dawn, 6:45. Sky's getting cold, we flying from the north. We rocking with our city like a
And what's good, my Titans? Today I'm in the garage, so check this out. Piping came in today. Yes, you heard me correctly, today. So guess what? It's getting ready to go. I'm about to fit everything up ish to the point to where it comes through here. And the turbo flange, I'm actually on Facebook Market looking. I found a couple places local that I'm about to reach out to. So stay tuned as I get the whole turbo flange set up and ready. But first things first, I'm getting ready to test fit the piping for this intercooler. So test fit the piping now. So basically I gotta begin to cut, but I'm gonna put this coupler on here. And what's good, my Titans? I'm back. Just got to get my phone real quick because I'm at the house. So this is what I've actually done earlier. I went and cut the manifold. So what I'm getting ready to do now is finish cutting the rest of it. But before I do that, I'm about to get all the mounts and stuff ready so I can actually mount this radiator up on the vehicle, so I can mount out the intercooler piping or see where everything goes, so won't be any interference or obstruction. So stay tuned as I get this whole thing.
Fireman, she want in her heart. She no want a man to play on her part. She no want a boy to play with her heart. She no want a man to break up her heart. She no want a man to play with her heart. Real fireman, she want
with my Titans this morning. I'm up in the garage, but first I gotta go to the smoke shop real quick, get something to smoke, or get some wraps to smoke, and head back in here and finish up the turbo manifold.
I'm doing what I'm doing at its fine.
Eskimo, the coolest DJ in the world.
Hey, back to the block, to the booth, back to the basics. I want that money so bad, I'll take it. We in the matrix, my nigga, we in the matrix. We in the matrix, my nigga, we in the matrix. Back to the block, to the booth, back to the basics. We want that money so bad, we'll take it. We in the matrix, my nigga, we in the matrix.
DJ Esco.
We in the matrix, my nigga, and it's amazing. I want that money so bad, I'll take it. I got that sack on me now, and I'm racing. I'm trying to run it all up, ain't got no patience. I know some niggas in the yard, they a rapist. And we don't play with little boys, we a Cajun. Bitch, you gon' starve before I pay you. I pushed out all of my cars, I'm in a spur. You want that South, I got hard, we got that work. That icy cat and that powder, that rock and roll. I'm cashing out on the spot, straight out the bowl. I want the racks to the sky, won't sell my soul. I get some money, that money take for them hoes. Back to the block, to the booth, back to the basics. I want that money so bad, I'll take it. We in the matrix, my nigga, we in the matrix. We in the matrix, my nigga, we in the matrix. Back to the block, to the booth, back to the basics. We want that money so bad, we'll take it. We in the matrix, my nigga, we in the matrix. We in the matrix, my nigga, and
the coolest DJ in the
As I jumped out the porch, I was in it. I had to get me a Porsche without no limit. Said don't for Polo Sports, stop buying business. You got a lick on the
first. Let me get this turbo manifold cut so I can get by the turbo flange and put it on there.
Shtibidi dop 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 yes 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 shtibidi dip shtibidi double double yes 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 yes.
Run out of attention. This dirty society made me a menace. The young niggas ride on you, they so relentless. I conquer any and everything that I wanted. You see that chop on my lap, it's fully loaded. Ain't tryna hurt you, I murk you, I'm playing defense. These pussy niggas, they tryna give me a reason. You can't be talking, them niggas turn co-defendants. We ain't gon' stop, we on top and we gon' keep winning. Back to the block, to the booth, back to the basics. I want that money so bad, I'll take it.
So this is what I got so far. Just cut the, we started to cut the turbo flange. 2 different areas with the grinder. I just changed the, out the cutter. I forgot what you call, yeah, cutting wheel. And now I am getting ready to start back doing this. So I'm ready to turn this camera back on now.
Hey, don't you stop fucking playing and get the fuck the call. Stop it before you stop. Oh, take heat. Fuck these niggas up.
Yeah, the wizard. Woo. Pure J, no tap water. This the real face. Fuck the bitch, broke our heart. She think we still dang. 3 choppers sitting in the car. We play it real safe. $50 million in cash. That's a cold case. Spent so much cash in Chanel. They want a CID. Bust down on the Uchi while I'm so sincere. Got 100 shooters sitting outside. Got 100 shooters sitting outside.
Yeah, 50 mil, bagged in my safe. That's a graveyard. Fuck the bitch. Seen her with a man, I had to play it off. Dream chaser, we just like a label. We got A&R, famous hoe. She threw me that pussy, I'ma slay her raw. Yeah, you are now welcome to the players ball. Whole lot of money, lot of rich shit, yeah. 100 shooters, I can get your click hit. Get my dick stuck in a Lambo, wide stick shit, big shit. Baby, it's the big fish. All these VVS's in my necklace, in my wristlet. I could wipe my ass with these hundreds on the shit, bitch. Shot up in a DM like James Harden, then went swish, swish. I'm sipping.
Pure J, no tap water. This the real face. Fuck the bitch, broke our heart. She think we still dang. 3 choppers sitting in the car. We play it real safe. $50 million in cash. That's a cold case. Spent so much cash in Chanel. They want a CID. Bust down on the Uchi while I'm so sincere. Got 100 shooters sitting outside. Got 100 shooters sitting outside. I've been getting richer and richer. Damn near pissed on bitches. I've been thinking real vindictive. Kill the ops, fuck they sisters. Fucking Catholic, semi-Christian, semi-automatic, I got vision. Diamond cuts in they princes, nigga. No rap cap, gave away Bentleys, nigga. Got a car for a watch, got a watch for a house. Semi-automatic Glock, get your block watched out. Bad bitch try to rape me, try to put my cock out. I got murder money so this shit can get hostile. Pure J, no tap water. This the real face. Fuck the bitch, broke our heart. She think we still dang. 3 choppers sitting in the car. We play it real safe. $50 million in cash. That's a cold case. Spent so much cash in Chanel. They want a CID. Bust down on the Uchi while I'm so sincere. Got 100 shooters sitting outside. Got 100 shooters sitting outside.
Nose app, they'll click, come slide. Got 100 shooters sitting outside. Yeah, all my bitches treat me just like God. I told her jump, bitch, ask how high. Yeah, I've said that I'ma die, ain't dead. One in the head, put it right in your head, bitch. Give a fuck about the feds, I ain't scared. I ain't putting down my gun, I ain't Craig. Yeah, dissing on the gram, then I'm sliding in his DM. Only time though busy play around is with your BM. Got 100 shooters parked outside, and they gon' kill you when you walk outside.
Oh, really?
Pure J, no tap water. This the real face. Fuck the bitch, broke our heart. She think we still dang. 3 choppers sitting in the car. We play it real safe. $50 million in cash. That's a cold case. Spent so much cash in Chanel. They want a CID. Bust down on the Uchi while I'm so sincere. Got 100 shooters sitting outside. Got 100 shooters sitting outside.
So this is where we're at right now. I got this side grinded down. See? So I got this. Got that whole part grinded. Now I'm working on this side. You know, cutting little rivets in it. So I cut some more. As far as I need to get a level to see if it's level or not. I know it's not from the looks of it. It's kind of rough, but it's level enough to where I can go ahead and start cutting this rivets in, you know, grinding and cutting off. You know, it's the easy way instead of just go, you know, just cut a little zit, and then sideways, and then just break it off. You know, it's easier like that, in my opinion. You know, cast iron stuff or whatnot. But with that said, let's
remix off the corner with the money. I got a verse. Cut that shit up, quick. St. John, put on Hendrix. So Lee be a millionaire.
Roses, I walked in the corner with the body screaming daughter. Never sold it back, but looking like Pablo in the photo. This gon' make them feel away like Tony Cumanolo. You already know that. You already know that. I walk in the corner with the money on my finger. She might get it poppin', I might wait for the thing. I already know, all I need is turn up, baby, turn up when I turn it on. You know how I get too late when I turn it on. Can't handle my behavior when I turn it on. Too fast and fast, life don't last, don't get through it all. Put a nigga off, do you wanna? You know you won't tell nobody, no. You know you won't tell nobody, no. I might pull up flexing on these niggas like a road. I might tell your girl you cute but ballin' that she gorgeous. Standing on the table, rose, fuck the walls. You know who to call. Turn up, baby, turn up when I turn it on. You know how I get too late when I turn it on. Can't handle my behavior when I turn it on. Too fast and fast, like don't let go, go through it all. Fuck with a nigga raw, that's who you wanna be. I might bring them Brooklyn niggas out the road and go. I might bring them strippers out and tell them do it so. You already, nigga roll. Turn up, baby, turn up when I.
So they gon' turn up and get it, man. So they ain't stingy, she brought me a friend. Changed up the temperature, fuck on his cash. Fuck up the tip, flex on this bitch. If we're talking this shit, I'ma flex on this hoe. Canary yellow, but guess with the glow.
I'm back. What I'm doing now, I'm taking a little break. What I've done so far is
Shit is out of my VVS froze. Turning up green like everything go. Need interpreters, I don't need to talk to you hoes. I need a translator for these songs. Ice on inside is I'm stand on gold. Ice spaghetti y'all. Bad bitch so cold. Beat up the bar, she gave me a key. Amelia food, she keep all the secrets. Solitary diamond, solitary. Ready to go slide and bang. Top I say none of my bitches complain. Oh, murder for the campaign. Murder.
Turn up, baby, turn up when I turn it on.
Keep a lot of drugs.
You know how I get too late when I turn it on.
Got a couple models that
can't handle my behavior when I turn it on. Too fast and fast, life don't last, don't get through it all. Fuck with a nigga raw, that's who you wanna be. And I know you won't tell nobody, no. And I know you won't tell nobody, no. Roses, roses.
Hey, what the fuck's your problem? Hey, you cut us off, folks. Okay, your point? Y'all driving too damn slow. Get around the car.
Straight up. Cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, 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 cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out. Riding in the car with no keys, straight up. Louis V shirt with no sleeves. On God, slaughter gang nigga, I'm reppin'. 21. Chopper get the preaching, I'm the reverend.